Today the topic is about microorganism. Microorganism, you can say the animals, the living beings which we cannot see through our naked eye. These are known as microorganisms, but we can visualize them by means of microscope. So that's why they are known as microorganisms. Microorganisms are mostly, basically you can say that there are 4 types. What are they? Bacteria, 2 fungi, third one is your protozoa, fourth one is your algae. Bacteria, yes or no? Bacteria, how many need just say bacteria? You have written in the notes. Yes.
Spherical shape.
Spherical, and you can say the spiral shaped. Yes or no? This bacteria are spherical and spiral shaped. Fungi, how its structure is?
Penicillium.
Yes, the example of fungi you can say the penicillium, and another one bread mold. Very good. Protozoa. Examples of protozoa.
Amoeba.
Yes, very good. Amoeba.
Paramecium.
Paramecium. Yes. Amoeba and paramecium. Algae.
Spirogyra.
Yes, Spirogyra. This much. Okay, now we can say that these are the microorganisms. These are examples of microorganisms. How microorganisms are helping? You can say that scientifically and naturally. For fertilizations of soil, microorganisms helping us. Microorganisms, how they helping us? You can say that fungi, protozoa, algae, all the types of spirogyra and all the things. They are also living in, and they are giving nutrients to the soils, so we can use to them. Okay. So next come to microorganism friend and foe. If they are helping to the human, their friend, and some bacteria also you can say that creating damage to the environment, as well as they are creating all types of diseases. So these are known as foe. So those bacteria are helping, these are friend to us, and those are just like example of milk. Milk, so that how we get the curd? We get the curd by means of whenever milk, the bacteria is lactobacillus change milk to curd. That means we get curd from it. Like I can say that the bacteria which yeast is a part of your, you can say that microorganism which help to convert, you can say that sugar to alcohol. Like these are your friends, our friends to our nature. And foe, you can say that like virus. Virus is the microorganism which causes diseases. Now we mostly related to our virus like coronavirus. It causes diseases. Yes or no? Coronavirus, how many? You can say that a lot of people are died due to coronavirus. It is an infectious disease. So now we will read about how microorganisms are transferring to and causing a lot of damages. Microorganisms, such like you can say that protozoa. Okay. Protozoa, just like you can say protozoa. Protozoa, you can say malaria parasites. Malaria parasite disease causing agent. So in the disease causing agent, what we understand, we should have to know that this type of malaria parasites, it caused by means of mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are carried out by means of these pathogens. These are pathogens, means what you can say is the disease causing agents are known as pathogens. Pathogens are what? The disease causing agents are known as pathogens. Carrier. So in that you can say that malaria parasite carrier. Which act as carrier? That mosquito act as carrier because it carried the disease from healthy person to carried the disease from the infected person to healthy person. Now you understand about the pathogens. So now we will come to about the different types of cycles. Nitrogen cycles. Microorganisms mostly help in the process of nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycles. So whenever we are talking about nitrogen cycle, cycle means you understand that will be, we can say that start from a point and end in a circular manner. So that's a cycle. Nitrogen cycle, you can say that. So you can say you take out some here plants are there. So you can say that in soil nitrogen is always present. We know in our environment mostly 78% of nitrogens are present. So the soil, whenever you can say that plants are eaten, that thing, plants eaten by, you can say that animal, just like goat or anything, you can say that whenever they died out, okay, whenever they died out, or you can say that after the excretion, that you can say that urea or uric acid that comes to the soil. So this is also, you can say that from soil to soil, this is also a cycle. From soil to soil, this is also a cycle. So that's why you can say that from plant, how they take the nitrogenous to the plant. Plant take the nitrogen by its roots. So it uptake by the animal. Whenever they uptake by animal, they get excreted. They in form of urea or uric acid. It mixed with soil and then it comes to the soil. So that's why it is a cycle. So another thing, how it's nitrogen cycle. Another cycle let's discuss. So this one is, you can see the soil. You can see the soil based nitrogenous. Next one for atmospheric basis nitrogen. This is atmosphere. You can say that whenever you can say that the nitrogen is present on the atmosphere, about 78%. Whenever thunderstorm strikes, you can say that the nitrogens are fixed with that. They get the reaction with the water. And they comes back to comes to the soil. They comes to the soil and are intake by different types of plants. Okay, so next down to atmospheric nitrogen. Sometimes you just know that different types of, you can say that there is some nodes are there. Some, you can say that if this one is a plant, okay, this one is a plant, the nodes are there. These nodes are caused by, you can say, bacteria. This type of, you can say that food chain is known as symbiotic relation. In previous classes we read about symbiotic relations. The bacteria. What is the name of bacteria? You know the bacteria. Rhizobium. Very good. Rhizobium bacteria makes nodes. You can producing. You can say that protein dal like yes, leguminous plants. Very good. Leguminous plants. So whenever it died away the plants, then definitely that nitrogen will mix with soil. So this is the soil, you can say that cycle of nitrogen. So we read about the microorganism in a very short period of time, a friend and foe.